question that what will happen if we have a wrong homeopathic remedy. Wrong homeopathic remedy means a dissimilar remedy, because right remedy means a similar remedy, wrong means a completely dissimilar remedy. So if we remember that aphorisms, that what happens when there is a dissimilar disease, which is already, there is a disease already inside the body, and some dissimilar disease or some dissimilar, in this case a remedy is given. So what will happen now? When we give a homeopathic dose, it is a very very small dose, very um, small dose, in means of quantity also, in means of potency also. So when a dissimilar disease is given which is weak in strength, so the body will repel that remedy, the body will repel that action, it will not let the medicine act on it. So if your remedy is completely wrong, there will be no reaction from the body because of the wrong remedy. It will only react if there is simillimum or partially simillimum. Partially simillimum means that it is similar to some symptoms, not all of the body, not wholly it is similar, but yes, it is similar to some symptoms of the body. Then only you can see the action. So most of the times when it is a partially simillimum, it acts more like a palliative, that it will give relief to those symptoms for some time which it is simillimum to. Once the action of the medicine is gone, the secondary action will come back, because our medicine was not able to give relief to the whole disease and the disease is still there. So those symptoms will come back. Even if they are episodic, like for example, if it is something which is seasonal, it will keep coming every season you are changing the remedy, because we are giving a partially simillimum remedy. We are not giving a proper simillimum remedy. So, but if the medicine is completely dissimilar, then it will be repelled off by the body. You will see no action. And this is also given in the Dr. Kent's 12 observations, that when the remedy is wrong, there will be no reaction from the body. Nothing. No reaction of the medicine on the body, because it is weak and it is repelled. It is a dissimilar disease. It is a weak force, dissimilar remedy, weak force, and it is repelled by the body.